Okay, we're almost done. Seriously. Copy the template code from the docs and create the login.html.twig file. This prints the login error message if there is one and has a form with username and password fields. When we submit, Symfony is going to be looking for these fields, so their names are important. Let's make this extend our base.html.twig template. I'll also add a little bit of extra markup. Route check. Controller check. Template check. Let's try it. Oh boy, an error. The copied template code has a form that submits to a route called login check. Let's create another action method and use @route to create that route. Call me crazy, but I'm going to leave this action method completely blank. Normally, it means that if you went to /login_check, it would execute this controller and cause an error since we're not returning anything. But this controller will never be executed. Before I show you, open up security.yaml and look at the form login configuration. Login_path is the URL or route name that the user should be sent to when they hit a secured page. Change this to be login_form, the name of our login action route. Check path is the URL or route name that the login form will be submitted to. Change this to be login_check. In your browser, try going to /new. Yes! Now we're redirected to /login. Thanks to the login_path config key. The page looks just terrible, but it's working. Now let me show you one of the strangest parts of Symfony security system. When we log in using user and user pass, it works. We can see our username in the web debug toolbar and even a role assigned to us. What the heck just happened? When we submit, Symfony security system intercepts the request and processes the login information. This works as long as we post username and password to the URL /login_check. This URL is special because its route is configured as the check path in security.yaml. The login check action method is never executed because Symfony intercepts post requests to that URL. If the login is successful, the user is redirected to the page they last visited or the home page. If login fails, the user is sent back to /login and an error is shown. And where did the user and user pass stuff come from? Actually, right now the users are just being loaded directly from security.yaml. In a minute, we'll load users from the database instead.